another day, another blessings. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Green Hill Cinema 1 for the black screening. Better Days will be in center. Thank you for inviting us to this para sa inyong black screening. Okay, samahan niyo po kami.
I'll be talking dito sa harap. And then, pag tinawag kita, you can take pictures with them.
Okay na lang.
Thank you for supporting naman.
Yeah. Alam ko rin po yung
Ito ay masipag na bata.
Thank you.
Picture with super good.
Nay.
One more. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Thank you.
Very special kasi, ano nga yung movie natin? Supergirl. And because today is a very special day, we invited Supergirl.
Hello.
Supergirl. So she'll be going around to have pictures with you. Sige, go ahead.
Thank you.
Alam niyo po, si Supergirl is also a cancer survivor. She's a stage 4 cancer survivor. She's living story also.
Yeah, sakto nagkikimo ko. Kailangan maging Supergirl.
So while waiting for Supergirl to have a photo with you,
Thank you. Sila din daw. Sige po, picturean ko kayo.
raffle off. So meron po tayong raffle. And I think it's a... So we have...
1, 2, 3.
Yes. Ang isang
Thank you. Cancer patient.
tinatawag chocolate nuts.
Laban lang po.
Sila sa brownies, siopaw and bahaw. So we're giving away products for the chocolate nuts. Thank you. Yes.
Sorry. 1, 2, 3. Ano bang pose natin? Meron ka bang signature pose or something?
I like this one. This one.
Okay.
And then
Pwede?
we have 2 more. We have
Thank you.
Thank you.
Can you take our picture?
Okay. Then we have 5 gifts from Warner Brothers. So we'll be wrapping off. We have...
Thank you.
Thank you po. Ako na din.
Sige na po.
Where are you? Akira. Lucia. Akira. Where is Akira? There you go.
Thank you.
Yeah. Debbie Ledesma. Debbie Ledesma, you can visit.
Thank you. Thank you.
Please give your ticket.
Oh, si Jerry! Di ba ako nakita?
Kanino to?
Ano na ba to?
Paano yan?
Again, thank you to Chocolate Nuts.
two, three. One more. One. Okay, one.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ano yun?
Hi, best friend.
One. Smile.
Thank you.
Thank you. Sige po. Thank you. Sige po, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Palit naman tayo, di naman nilapot. Change position.
One more. Thank you.
Thank you. Ato better days. Better days ahead.
Forgot to take a picture. Thank you.
Better day in work. I am so grateful.
Happy with your costume.
Thank you. I'm also a cancer survivor. Yeah. Sa gitna. Thank you.
Thank you po.
Nangarap.
Yeah.
Chris and Katie Loves sa Creative Patrons Global. Isa pa? Thank you.
Okay naman yan.
Kami muna.
Para maka-badge na. Ako din, ako din.
Oh yeah, give me one.
One more.
Happy birthday!
Mama, take picture na. Face will be in center.
Thank you, better days.
Yeah?
Yun na lang. Thank you, better days.
Okay.
Like,
Thank you, Better Days!
I would like to thank Sir Aris for inviting me today sa kanilang black screening ng Supergirl dito sa Greenville Cinema 1.
Yeah.
And sila po ang ng Better Days Wellbeing Center. And thank you for having me as your Supergirl and Monty as Lobo. And that's all for today's vlog. Bye and see you on my next vlog.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching. See you on my next vlog. Please comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.